Hey everyone, welcome to HD Tribe, our family channel where we share a little bit of everything that makes life special. Today, we are taking a look at our Breville Barista Express coffee machine. It's been our trusty coffee companion for a while, 7 years to be precise. But lately, it's been acting up a little, and today, it hit a new low. Well, I started my day as usual, turning on the coffee machine, trying to make a couple Americanos. Everything seemed fine until, wait for it, I had to reset the GFCA outlet and turn the machine back on. Thankfully, it worked fine. Let's move on to the next step. Well, now, it's time to pull a couple shots of espresso. Hopefully, it'll work without any issues. Perfect. I actually want to make an Americano, so I'm turning on the hot water. I think the worst is over, but there is something unusual happening. Let me show you what I mean. Right here, you can see water leaking from the bottom of the machine. Now, this has been happening for a while, and I think now it's time to investigate. Might as well make another drink before things get even messier. To get to the bottom of this, I decided to open up the machine. I first removed the water tank and then started removing the screws on the back panel. Couple more screws in the front and carefully removed the grinder. The top panel came off easily. I had to use a sharp knife to remove a small plastic piece to access the screw inside, and I think that's the last one. I also unhooked the top panel electrical wires. Okay, so I've been carefully removing screws from my coffee machine to take it apart, and now I'm inspecting to see if I've missed any. I tried wiggling the back panel to loosen it, but it's stuck and not budging. After taking a closer look, I realized there are two screws at the bottom that I completely missed. I definitely don't want to brute force it and risk breaking something, so I'll go ahead and remove those before proceeding. After removing the back panel of the coffee machine, the first thing I notice is how overwhelming it looks inside. There are wires running in every direction, various components and metal parts. It's a bit intimidating at first glance. As I inspect further, something immediately catches my attention. There is a noticeable rust around the ground terminal where several wires are connected. This seems like a critical point in the machine's electrical system, and I suspect it could be the reason for the machine shutting down. To get better access and continue inspecting, I decide to remove the water pipe. It's held in place with a zip tie. So, I carefully cut the zip tie using scissors to avoid damaging the pipe or any nearby components. With the pipe out of the way, I have a bit more room to maneuver and assess the situation. This is where I'll pause for now as I work on cleaning and figuring out how to address these issues. Moving on, I take a closer look at the water system. There's a water pipe that connects the tank to the machine. The pipe leads into a plastic box which seems to regulate water flow. Inside that box, I can see a slight buildup, either mold or black residue. This is concerning because it suggests the water passing through might not be as clean as it should be. Now, to access the other end of the water pipe, I'm going to remove this component that's in the way. And of course, I find more rust under this part too. Now I carefully cut another zip tie that's holding the water pipe, and I investigate this water pipe. Watching other YouTube videos related to this content and this water leak issue, I feel like this water pipe is the main culprit. But having discovered the amount of rust that I've seen so far, it is very concerning to me. I'm going to reach out to Breville customer care to get their expert opinion on how to handle this situation. If this machine is repairable or if I need to go for a new one. Stay tuned to find out. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment. I truly appreciate your time, and I'll see you soon.